Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is the Newman NV2 wraparound labeling machine. It has a 4-inch wide Delrin tabletop chain conveyor by about 8-foot length traveling through the entire machine. And starting on this end, the small eye, this little black eye you see is unmounted right here. You'll see it does have its power on. That's probably for a backup of any bottles or jam were to happen. It has a small in-feed star right here, and that's operated by this DC controller. Also, the wrap station features a 10.5-inch diameter rotary table which rotates the bottle, also DC controlled, and as well as the conveyor, also a Baldor DC control. Has a reject station here at the end, and it was running a little 1.5 ml vial, as you can see here. The labeler features pretty much standard fare. Has a number of sensors as the labels travel down. This particular sensor here fires the hot stamp coder. And right now we're going through the manual. As you can see on it, it's still looking for its password number. Also has a camera system, Cogenics. This is the controller for the hot stamp coder. Has a small sensor right there. Picks up the container. All the functions are working. This is the type machine though you do want to have Newman come in and help you with the initial setup on it. The eye right here. Now you see as we're firing labels. A couple little bugs in it, but like I say, that's the best, really. The factory guys are really the best at this. We have lots of labelers, packaging equipment, processing as well in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.